Hello there. Do you want to gift something beautiful and unique to your loved ones? Or do you want to jazz up your space with these vibrant and colorful folk art pieces? How about making them all by yourself? Yes, you heard me right. Join me in my brand new Skillshare class and I will take you through the entire process of making these beautiful art pieces. And trust me, it's super easy and super fun. We will discuss the art supply we need for the project and we will practice drawing with the 3D outliners and coloring with the glass colors. Even if you've never tried drawing or painting before, this class is going to be super easy for you because it's completely beginner friendly. So come join me in this class. I just cannot wait to start this beautiful art journey with you. Even if you're not there on Skillshare, you can use my link to access all the premium classes along with this one for 14 days absolutely free. So come, join me and let's create some beautiful art.